Okay, let's find the derivative of this. It's an implicit function. To find this one, we'll solve it implicitly. So this first one is going to be 5x raised to the power of 4 plus this one, since it is a dependent variable, then this will be 5y raised to the power of 4 dy all over dx. Then this one is a product rule, so this will give us, we'll differentiate this x first, so which is 1, then we have 5y, then we differentiate y now, leaving x, so this will be 5x dy over dx. So we'll collect like terms here. When we collect like terms, we'll have this to be 5y minus 5x in bracket dy all over dx is equals to 5y minus 5x raised to the power of 4. So this will be dy over dx is equals to 5 open bracket y minus x raised to the power of 4 in bracket all over 5 open bracket y minus x close the bracket. This will cancel this, so dy over dx now will give us y minus x raised to the power of 4 over y minus x. So we can terminate this here.